Hi, it's Kevin at Northrop & Johnson, and you're watching Friday at Foster's.
Do I even need an intro at this point? I'm Dennis Foster, president of Foster's Yacht Services, located at Lauderdale Marine Center. And this is Fridays at Foster's, the show where we break down our week in social media. And people watch it because, well, I don't really know, but I'm glad they do. Let's hop over into our week. Monday, we're beginning to design the exterior laminates for the bottom of the catamaran from last week. We first start out by drawing our templates on plastic visqueen. We then transfer that over to the fiberglass fabric underneath. Finally, we'll cut the sections out and laminate them to the surface later on in the week. Tuesday, we installed the new fiberglass deck for our recovery scour project. We started by first mixing fiberglass matrix. Think of it as extremely strong bonding glue. Then we smooth it out to make sure it's even. This is important to do as it avoids the possibility of air pockets or voids. Once the deck is installed, we then apply our stagger laminates to attach the new deck to the existing flange of the boat. Wednesday, it poured rain, and I really have no idea what we got done. Nonetheless, despite our obstacles, we still took our catamaran from episode 1 out for a stormy sea trial. Thursday, we attached the stainless steel plates to the arch on our Sea Ray. With the hinges attached, the last step is to install the rams that will move the arch up and down using hydraulics.
And here we are on Friday, from the fiberglass work we explained to on Monday with all the layers that we have laminated and done the repairs. So what we're doing here now is, you see, this is real dense board. It's called Coosa board, 28-pound Coosa board. We put 2 layers together, we laminated it together, and we're putting on the bottom of our bulbless bow here for structure. They want a mahogany. Coosa board's a 28-pound dense structure. So when they put this on the land right now from the marina, they'll set on the jack stands and you won't crush it or have cracks like it did before. So what we're doing now is we're gluing this and epoxying it to the bottom, and we're going to shape it to the curvature of the hull. And then when that's all finished up, we'll put the final laminations.
So there you have your week, filled with a whole lot of progress and a whole lot of rain. I'm your host, Dennis Foster, and this is our show. If you're enjoying it, or the Facebook ads keep shoving it in your face, then let us know how you feel down below. Every comment we get is another day our marketing director gets to keep his job.
Please, it's either this or Publix.
That's all for today. I'll see you next Friday at Foster's.